vision that turned into reality. Formed in 1990, we boast one of the best qualified and most innovative teams of design engineers in the market. From the beginning, our goal was to develop the most innovative measuring instruments and systems, more powerful and better tuned for user needs. Today, our range of noise and vibration monitors is second to none, with both quality and technical excellence being at the core of the company's philosophy. We own 4 patents, 3 registered industrial designs. Currently in our offer, we have the most innovative sound and vibration measuring instruments for professionals. Visit SVANTEK.com and learn more about SVANTEK products.